My Acanthoscurria brocklehursti is probably thinking, why did you give me this little thing? Well, the reason why I gave it that little thing is because I gave it a very big thing last week. So this week it's just going to get a little treat, a little bitty treat. Pinhead cricket, but a larger pinhead cricket. As you can see, its abdomen is already quite healthy, so I wasn't going to give it a bigger one today. But this is my Acanthoscurria brocklehursti, the Brazilian white banded. Oh, you want to add a little water to that? This is one of my favorite teas. I love the Acanthoscurrias. Forgive me if I said the common name wrong. I can't remember right off. It's actually easier for me to remember the technical name than the common name, which I guess is better anyway. But she's a cutie. Alright, thanks.